What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. I love smartwatches. These four are here in this studio, but there are many other in my home. I have a lot of smartwatches, but I never do smartwatch reviews because mostly I buy smartwatches for myself, not to do review videos. But recently I have received a lot of comments and requests from subscribers and regular viewers that I should do smartwatch review videos. And most of the people in their comments, they have mentioned that they wanna watch review videos of smartwatches which is affordable and at the same time offers a very good performance. I mean, the data should be accurate. So I have bought 5 different smartwatches on Amazon and found one that is actually very good. This is Haylou RT2 and this one actually offers a very good value for money. This one costs less than $50 but comparable to many other $100 smartwatches. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before we start this video, one request. As I always have to buy the products and nobody would give me or provide me with any review units, it's very difficult for me. So I wish you appreciate my hard work by clicking on the like button. Yeah, like button is over here. Please take a little time, click on the like button, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe. Support true content because I always provide my viewers and subscribers with honest content. Here is our Haylou RT2. Let's put this aside. There is a very thick user manual. All the instructions are very clear. There are illustrations. Other than the user manual, you will get a charging cable. Yeah, quality of the cable seems very good. Very strong magnets and yeah, I like it. For a $50 smartwatch, build quality of this Haylou RT2 is very good. Okay, this one is my Amazfit GTR 3 and this one is Haylou RT2. Build quality of these two seems very similar. This one costs more than $179 and this one costs less than $50. But look at this, they looks very similar. Design, build quality, everything is similar. This is crazy. In hand, both feels so very similar. Let me check the weight of these two. Haylou RT2, the watch itself is 38.2 and Amazfit GTR 3 32.7. These two looks very similar, only a few differences in features and a few differences in hardware, but outlook, design and appearance, who would say these two are from two different brands? Okay, let me try my Amazfit GTR 3 straps with this Haylou RT2. Okay, as I've been using that GTR 3, Amazfit GTR 3 for last 1 or 2 months, trust me, this Haylou RT2 on my wrist with the same strap feels much better, much more premium and elegant. The strap this Haylou RT2 comes with is also not bad. It's a very good quality. If we consider the price, less than $50, these straps are actually very good quality, above and beyond my expectations. This is another of my smartwatch. This is Oneplus Smartwatch and this one also comes with a silicone strap. And this Oneplus Smartwatch costs more than $150. And considering the price of this Haylou RT2, the straps are really the similar quality. Even this one offers more comfort and feels better on my wrist. If you're like me, if you have tons of other smartwatch bands, then of course you can change this smartwatch band and use the most favorite one of yours. Okay, before we pair this Haylou RT2 with a smartphone, let's talk about the features of this smartwatch. IP68 waterproof, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking. SpO2 is actually blood oxygen monitor, 12 workout modes, sleep monitoring. This one is my most favorite, and this Haylou RT2 offers a very accurate, trust me, this one offers a very accurate sleep time data. This one also comes with a 12 days battery life. I actually have managed to squeeze around 11 days. I think I am an active user, so 11 days, it's good. But when Philip has used the same smartwatch, I mean this Haylou RT2, he has managed to squeeze 12 days of battery life. Okay, we have already unboxed our Haylou RT2, we have checked the appearance and design, we have talked about the features. Now it's time to pair it with our smartphone. Let's see whether it's an easy process or a difficult process to pair this one with our smartphone. What you have to do is to download and install Haylou Fun on your smartphone. This application is available on Google Play Store, so it's very easy to install the application. After you install the application, open it, agree to the privacy policy, then you have to log in or register. After you log into your Haylou account, you power on your smartwatch, Haylou RT2, click on add device on your smartphone. It will start scanning device if there is any around, and okay, it has found it. Click on it. Okay, smartwatch is already connected. It's very easy. There is a firmware upgrade. I need to upgrade the firmware of this Haylou RT2. Firmware updating process is also very easy and very fast. After updating, Haylou RT2 has restarted by itself, and now then again it is getting connected to my smartwatch. Okay, let's check dial settings. Should I wear this one on my wrist and then check? This is the default dial. We are gonna change these dial settings. Okay, we can also do some custom dial settings. I mean, you can change your watch face with your selected pictures or favorite pictures. Let's try to do that. I'm gonna select something colorful because I really like this 360 by 360 display. This one is one of the best display among any affordable budget smartwatch. Actually, I should say that this one is much better than those budget smartwatches. This one is totally comparable to any other true flagship smartwatch. Colors are truly vivid and vibrant, and it has very high brightness. Let me try with another picture. This one has more colors. And you know what? You can also change the color of date and time based on your selected custom image. Okay, sync this watch face to my Haylou RT2. Amazing, isn't it? Look at this display panel. Isn't it as good as this OLED panel? It cannot be any better than this. One more thing I must mention, that if you want to change your dial settings, then you can just press on your display for 5 seconds and you can select between 5 recently used dials. I think this one looks better. Yeah, I like this one. This one is the dial that they have used on their box. Okay, I have already checked SpO2 monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and everything actually works very nice. Accuracy of heart rate monitoring and SpO2 monitoring, I mean blood oxygen monitoring, is almost as good as any other $200 Android smartwatches. The top button is power on off or sleep, wake. Bottom button is actually dedicated to 12 different sports modes. This is a TFT panel. This display panel is very good. Don't just think that this is a TFT panel and this one is bad. Side by side with Amazfit GTR 3, this one is very much comparable, and I wouldn't say this one is any way worse than that one. Even this one seems as good as that one. Okay, there is this music control function on this smartwatch which works perfectly fine. I love this feature. Notification actually works perfectly fine. I'm using my social media notifications on this smartwatch and there is no lag. All the notifications arrives on time and there is no issue. Even the haptic motor on this Haylou RT2 is very strong. If you're wearing this one on your wrist, when the notification arrives, you will feel it because there is a very good vibration. Okay, for a budget smartwatch, this one is one of the best. I have been using this one for a long time now and I have no hesitation to recommend it to my subscribers and regular viewers. If you have any other question about this smartwatch, then please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below and I will definitely reply to all your questions. Well, that's all about this Haylou RT2 smartwatch. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Yeah, the like button is actually over there. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe and stay tuned.